I'm Seán Finnan from Limerick Post. Here are the top stories from the week. A large number of vacant homes is a front to those waiting on houses lists. Those from Limerick TD Lamars Quinlivan as he points to the 3,900 number of vacant homes in Limerick. A figure that has just risen in a few months and almost doubled since July last year, as a lot of boarded up homes that are needing structural repairs that are owned by the council have gone without repairs for months, leaving now the people waiting on waiting lists are waiting for houses that are currently vacated. In other news, a public consultation into workers' rights has seen that the request to work from home has increased over the past few months. Disappointed by Aidan O'Riordan, Labour's spokesperson on housing, has said that this is not a new issue, and this has been noted and been brought up numerous times over the past few years, but since the pandemic this has accelerated as more and more people have seen the request, have seen the benefits of working from home. As the current request to work from home factors in issues such as how long a person has worked in their workplace, this is not up to scratch from Labour's spokesperson. And this public consultation will factor in the input into the working from home bill, which was originated by the Labour Party. Walk-in vaccination centres will open across the Midwest, as Limerick's Racecourse, Nina and Ennis will open over the weekend from the 27th to the 29th. For anybody that wants to walk in with a registered time or not, it is accepting everyone from over 12 to get a vaccine. In the race for vaccination, Ireland ranks number 1 in the countries that has with the highest vaccination rates in a population that has a minimum million people. This is a proud moment for the Irish government, in with the last few months, the last year or so, has seen unkept promises and unmet goals, but this is something to be proud of. Newly elected Dublin-based South TD Ivana Bacik is hit out at the systemic failure of the childcare support scheme in Ireland. The Labour childcare spokesperson has hit out at the limited places offered. Despite subsidies, the growing population of Ireland, which has hit over 5 million the first time since the 19th century, has meant that the subsidies issued for the childcare scheme have not warranted any positive results, and the healthcare scheme should be brought in under the growing healthcare system of Ireland and make it a publicly funded scheme to make sure that more people had the right to take care of their children and also work at the same time. I've been Seán Finnan from the Limerick Post. Those have been the top stories from the week. Have a good afternoon, evening or night.